What's up guys? So today we're going to be doing a super easy project. So let's go over real quick the couple of things that I'm going to be using. A piece of leather, some super glue, and this is 0.5 micron diamond spray from DMT. Probably not the best diamond spray on the market, but it's what I have. And I don't know if I'd necessarily recommend 0.5 micron unless you have a whole strop progression already. If you're only using this for a single strop, I'd probably recommend 1 micron. I will leave links to this and the 1 micron spray in the description, as well as all of the other stuff I'm using here. And then finally, I've got this piece of MDF. This is a piece of, I think it's 3/4 MDF. You can pick this up at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's kind of expensive for the amount that you get. You can buy these in 4-foot by 8-foot pieces. I bought a smaller sheet because I don't use this a lot, and they get you. When you buy a smaller sheet, they get you on the price. I think this is like 17, 18 bucks for a sheet this size. You can make a lot of strops out of this. If you don't want to buy a piece of MDF, you can use a piece of black paper micarta. You can actually buy this in almost the exact dimensions that you need, and that'll make a perfect base for this strop. And those 1.5 by 10 inch pieces run a couple of bucks. They're not expensive for black paper micarta. I'll leave a link to where you can get those pieces down below as well. It really doesn't matter what your base is. You can use anything that is relatively flat. And if it's not relatively flat, you can make it flat by sanding it. It's not rocket science. It's important to make this slightly wider than you need. That way we can trim the excess off later. Leather is cut. Literally just filled my pocket up with sawdust. This is fairly crude how we're doing this.
Only I had a handle I could trace.
Now we'll have a strop handle. Now, you could cut this out with a jigsaw, but I have a bandsaw, so I'm going to use my bandsaw. That was cool. I wonder how that happens. There you go. Sometimes these things break, and it'll give you a heart attack. Well, alrighty then. I guess we'll finish it off on the grinder. So now we've got our strop shape cut out. Now all I gotta do is glue our leather to it. I know this is super riveting, complicated stuff here. So I like the rough side for stropping. Some people like the smooth side. I guess it depends on what you're doing. My preference with the type of stuff that I do is for the rough side of the leather. I might make another one of these with a smooth side as well. But for now, I'm gonna use the rough side. I'm going to use super glue rather than contact cement because I like super glue a little bit better for this purpose. I think it sets faster and it sits faster. It's less smelly and all kinds of different stuff. I'm also gonna use some activator so that it sets instantly. So first thing I'm gonna do is get a little glue dabber, which is just a piece of wood that we'll spread the glue with. And we'll go ahead and glue this thing up. Wear safety glasses. Seriously, this is not a joke. Wear safety glasses when you're using this stuff because you don't want to get this in your eye. So now, if you're using activator, apply the activator to the other piece. Don't apply it right to the glue because it'll set instantly. The leather kind of soaks it in, so we'll get the smooth side. Let's go ahead and press this on. We're pretty much done. Just like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty solid. Careful doing this, because this is a great way to cut yourself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the diamond spray. Like I was saying, this is 1/2 micron. If you're not doing an entire strop progression and you just want to have one strop that kind of does it all, I probably wouldn't get 1/2 micron. I'd probably get 1 micron. 1/2 micron's a little bit fine if you're just doing one strop, but it's fine if you have a couple of strops and you're doing a whole strop progression. Make sure you shake this stuff up if you have any kind of diamond spray, shake the crap out of it. The nice thing about this is that once you really apply this to the stropping surface, the diamonds, they don't really leave, they don't go anywhere, and they don't really wear out. So you don't have to reapply this super often. Oh, this is gonna be a good strap. It's the simple things in life, guys. I'm just gonna let this kind of soak into the surface and kind of dry a little bit, and then I'll probably do a second application. And we'll go ahead and break it in. Paper test. That's sharp. It's all in the strops, my friends. The ultimate sharpness is all in the strops. It's sharp. S110V. Perfect working edge. Very simple project that you can do relatively quickly, and you can go as far as you want with this. You can make it as nice or as rough as you like. Well guys, that completely concludes today's project. The diamond strop is complete. Again, this is a super easy project that anybody can do. If you can find a piece of flat material and glue a piece of leather to it, spray a little diamond spray on it, you'll be on your way to a nice diamond strap. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. It really helps out the channel, and we'll see you next time. And hopefully I was in focus that whole time.